Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of moringa, often hailed as a superfood and a natural multivitamin. If you've been searching for ways to boost your health naturally, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of moringa, from its rich nutrient profile to its potential health advantages. Moringa is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse for anyone looking to enhance their diet. We'll discuss how this remarkable plant can support your immune system, improve digestion, and even promote healthy skin. Plus, we'll share some easy ways to incorporate moringa into your daily routine, whether through powders, teas, or capsules. Get ready to discover why moringa is gaining popularity among health enthusiasts and how it can play a vital role in your wellness journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how this superfood can elevate your health and well-being. So, let's jump right in and uncover the amazing benefits of moringa together. What is moringa? Moringa, scientifically known as Moringa oleifera, belongs to the Moringaceae family. This remarkable plant is native to the Indian subcontinent but has spread across various regions, including Africa and Southeast Asia. Moringa has been cherished for centuries, particularly in India and Africa, where it has been used in traditional medicine and as a vital food source. In these cultures, almost every part of the moringa tree, from its leaves to its seeds, has been utilized for its nutritional and medicinal properties. Historically, moringa has been valued for its ability to combat malnutrition and support overall health. In India, it is often referred to as the drumstick tree, due to its long, slender pods, while in Africa, it is known as the miracle tree, for its numerous health benefits. Moringa is considered a superfood primarily because of its impressive nutrient density. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as essential minerals like calcium and iron. Additionally, moringa leaves contain a high concentration of antioxidants and amino acids, making it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their diet and overall well-being. Nutritional profile of moringa. Moringa leaves and pods are celebrated for their impressive nutritional content, making them a valuable addition to any diet. These nutrient-dense parts of the plant are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, moringa leaves are an excellent source of vitamin A, which supports eye health, and vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. Additionally, moringa is packed with calcium, vital for strong bones and teeth, as well as iron, which is crucial for healthy blood circulation. Beyond vitamins and minerals, moringa is also loaded with antioxidants, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These powerful compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Antioxidants play a significant role in promoting overall health and well-being. When compared to other common vegetables, moringa stands out for its nutrient density. For example, moringa leaves contain 7 times the vitamin C of oranges and 4 times the calcium of milk. This remarkable nutritional profile makes moringa a superfood that can easily enhance your daily intake of essential nutrients, supporting a healthier lifestyle. Health benefits of moringa. Moringa is not just a nutritional powerhouse. It also offers a wide array of health benefits that can significantly enhance your well-being. One of the most notable advantages of consuming moringa is its ability to support immune function. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, moringa helps strengthen the immune system, making it more resilient against infections and illnesses. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic conditions. Another compelling benefit of moringa is its potential role in managing blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that moringa may help lower blood sugar levels, making it a promising option for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Moringa also shines when it comes to skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins found in moringa can promote a healthy complexion, reduce signs of aging, and even aid in healing minor skin irritations. Overall, incorporating moringa into your diet can contribute to enhanced wellness, providing a natural way to boost your health, improve your skin, and support your body's vital functions. With its myriad benefits, Moringa truly deserves its reputation as a superfood. How to incorporate Moringa into your diet? Adding Moringa to your daily meals is easier than you might think, and it can significantly enhance your nutrition. One of the simplest ways to enjoy Moringa is by using Moringa powder. You can blend a teaspoon of this nutrient-rich powder into your morning smoothie for an extra boost of vitamins and minerals. It pairs well with fruits like bananas and berries, creating a delicious and healthy drink. Moringa powder can also be sprinkled into soups or stews, adding a subtle earthy flavor while enriching the dish with nutrients. For a refreshing twist, try mixing Moringa powder into your salads, combining it with olive oil and lemon juice for a vibrant dressing. If you prefer a more convenient option, Moringa capsules or teas are excellent dietary supplements. These can easily be incorporated into your daily routine, providing the benefits of Moringa without the need for cooking. Don't hesitate to experiment with Moringa in your cooking. You can add it to baked goods like muffins or energy bars, or even use it in savory dishes like curries and stir-fries. The versatility of Moringa allows you to enjoy its health benefits in various delicious ways, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. Potential side effects and considerations. While Moringa is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions when incorporating it into your diet. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, which can manifest as skin rashes or itching. Additionally, Moringa can cause digestive issues in some people, leading to symptoms like nausea or diarrhea, especially when consumed in large amounts. Before adding Moringa to your routine, it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider, particularly if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. A healthcare professional can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure that Moringa is safe for you. Moreover, pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise caution when using Moringa. While it is generally considered safe in food amounts, high doses may have adverse effects. Some studies suggest that Moringa could potentially stimulate uterine contractions, which is why it's best to avoid concentrated forms like supplements during pregnancy. By being mindful of these considerations and seeking professional advice, you can safely enjoy the benefits of Moringa while minimizing any risks. Always listen to your body and make informed choices for your health. Conclusion. In summary, Moringa is a remarkable superfood that offers an impressive array of nutritional benefits and health advantages. With its rich profile of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa stands out as a powerful addition to any diet. We've explored how it can support immune function, reduce inflammation, and even help manage blood sugar levels. Additionally, its benefits for skin health and overall wellness make it a versatile choice for enhancing your daily nutrition. If you're looking to improve your health naturally, consider incorporating Moringa into your meals. Whether through powders, capsules, or teas, there are plenty of easy ways to enjoy this nutrient-dense plant. We hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. If you're interested in learning more about health-related topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to make informed choices about your health. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.